Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to transfer money from Coinbase to PayPal in 2025. So if you just sold your crypto and you want the cash in your PayPal account, this is the correct method to withdraw your funds safely. First of all, you need to open your Coinbase application, or you can also basically come here on coinbase.com, and the first thing that you need to do here is to simply log in into your account. Now in your Coinbase application, when you go to the assets tab, you are going to see all of the cryptocurrencies and the cash balance that is available here in your account. So it will be visible here on the top. You can also tap on the option of cash in order to see the cash that is available. So here, if your funds are still in the crypto, you first of all need to convert them into USD, EUR or GBP before withdrawing them. So once you have the cash available over here, you just have to simply withdraw it. But if you want to convert it from your cryptocurrencies to the USDT, you just have to simply tap on the cryptocurrency that you have over here. After that, simply go to the trade section and sell that cryptocurrency. Then you will get the asset in your own cryptocurrency. Then when you go to the assets tab, you will find it here in the cash section. Now once you have done that, the PayPal option will be appear, but you can also tap on the three lines on the top left hand corner of the screen. After that, you can go to the settings of your device. Over here you can just tap on the option of add the payment method. Here you can just simply select PayPal as one of the payment methods. Now this particular action is not supported in my area, but if it is available in your area, you just have to simply link your PayPal account with it first. Then simply just go back on this page and start withdrawing the money. So when you tap on the option of withdraw here, you can enter the amount and select PayPal as your receiving payment method. So after that, simply confirm your transaction. Once your transaction is completed, you will get your money in your PayPal account very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.